Hi guys, TB here. In this video I will show you how to use Google Analytics 4 for easy video player, both for JavaScript and for the WordPress version. So this is the latest update of the player, and there are some interesting things here to show you. So first of all, go to Google Analytics, create an account, and then from the all accounts section here, select the account that you are using, and actually this is all that you have to do. Go here to admin and see here, create new property, create property. Click on it. I'll just create one. I'll just call it something simple. Select the industry that you are in. I'll just select computer and electronics, and 1 to 10 employees. Next, from this objectives, business objectives, just select this one, get baseline reports. The other ones, leave them unchecked. Create, and then select the web. And here you need to add where your website is located. It's very important that you add this correctly, HTTP or HTTPS. So I have a test here with the player, say this one, and I'll just copy this URL. In your case, you'll copy your URL there and paste it here without the HTTPS. And this one can be anything. From the enhanced measurements, leave active just the page view. The other stuff, at least I don't think it's important. You can leave it there. It will be triggered, but it's not directly related to the player. Save. Okay, and create stream. Now we can close this and the next, and go here to admin, and you see your stream, it's selected, and you can get the tracking code, the measurement ID from the data streams. Here it is the exact same screen as you see before, and just copy this measurement ID. Okay, I copied it, and now for WordPress, for JavaScript, I'm sorry, let's make this smaller. Let's close this. Where is it? EVP. Go to the file that you are using and set the Google Analytics Analytic measurement ID to this that we just copied. Okay, save it, and then upload it to your server, and you are good to go. For WordPress, in the general settings of your preset, just add it here. See, and update the preset. This is all that we have to do to enable this for now. There are a few things that we need to do. The player is sending some parameters: video URL, %play, stop time, duration, and full screen. Now this parameter has to be added as custom definitions, otherwise they will not appear in the reports. So let's go back here and let's select custom definitions, and here create custom dimension, and just copy this one like this, save, then get the next one, save, and do this for all the one that are left here, other definitions. Now I have created a stream that I worked on, which is this one, and you see that I've added all of them here. Now next step to test this, we need to install an extension. This is the best way to test this. It's called Google Analytics Debugger. So just search for it, Google Analytics Debugger, click on it, and you need to install it in WordPress. I'm sorry, in Google Chrome. I already have it, so this button appears here to remove it. I have it installed, and after you have installed it, just enable it by making sure that this the pin is active, and also here this message box, I don't know what it is, make sure that it's on. Okay, so we have this. Now I have uploaded to my server the file with the code added, so mine's good to go. And let's go to analytics and go to debug view. Again, the debug view is selected from here. See, just go to admin and go to debug view. And now this is real time. The player will send, if everything is okay, if you added the code correctly and there are no issues with your server, who knows, because the player now is communicating with Google Analytics. This debugger will receive the event from the player. So when I refresh the page here, you see in the console all this gibberish from Google Tag Manager, for Google, basically from the debugger, and you will see some interesting things here. So the event parameter is a page view and it has a value 1. So this was sent when the page was refreshed, because the user it's viewing the page. And if I go here, see the event page view, and this is parameters that the event is sending, like page location and page title. This will be registered in the report. Okay, so the player has a play event. So when I click play, it will play, and when the player will stop, when the video will stop, doesn't matter at which point. So for example, at this time, I'll just stop it here. It will send event played. I don't know why it's saying it undefined. I couldn't figure it out yet, but I think this is how it works. So this is basically saying that the video was played, and also it's sending some parameters: the video URL, the video that was played, how much was played, the percentage played, which is almost 0.2, 0.3, the time at which was stopped, this one, the video duration, and if it was full screen. And if we go here, see the event played at this time, and when I click, you will see all these events, these parameters, I'm sorry, that if you remember, we added them as custom dimensions. So this is for the video. The next one is for the advertisement. So if I click here, play the video, and an advertisement is playing, and I skip it or leave it playing until the end, you'll see a different event this time, which is called ads. And this one has literally the same events as the other one. You can see the percent play, stop time, duration, and also the advertisement that was played. Okay, so this is for advertisement. Let's play the next one. Hopefully it will work. I'll clear this for now and I skip it. And this is a different one. See the video URL, it's a different one than the last one. And if I check the analytics here, we have the played event, and we should have the ads event soon enough. Now what I noticed is that sometimes you need to wait, see it, ads and all the stuff that I already explained. Sometimes you need to wait 5 seconds, sometimes you need to wait 2 minutes. It's a gamble. So this is the first ad with the first video, and the next one is with the other video. And the final event that you can track is the download. So when the user is downloading a video, this time is sending a download event, and as parameters you only have the video URL, because actually I see that there's also this stuff, but it's not important when at the time it was downloaded. So see the download event. Now all this stuff, it takes about 24 to 48 hours to be recorded in the reports. To see the report, just go to reports. I already have tests. I made tests a few days ago and I have data here, but you will not see this because, like I said, it takes some time to see this. Okay, go to reports, engagement and events, and you will see all those parameters that are showed you, like page view, user engagement, ads played, session start, download. So we have 57 ads played and 57 video played. You get what's important here. If you go back here, let me see. Events. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. So now, for example, you want to see the played event, just click on it. And here you'll have a detailed report with, you can see the country from which was the video was played, and the parameter should appear, I think. Yeah, I'm still learning this stuff. Yeah, so it's okay, it's up. I don't know why it didn't appear. So you can see the country, and here you can have a detailed explanation for the percent played for the video, the duration of the video, if it was full screen or not. And here are the videos that were played. See, this is not set, I don't know why. So this one was played the most, 50 times, and here is the when the video was stopped. Now I do not fully understand these reports yet because it's kind of new, this Google Analytics, but this is how it's done. I'm sure there is a better way to see this, but for now this is how the implementation works. Now another thing, for WordPress, in my tests I have here this is a WordPress page with the player set here, and I already created a property called EVP-WP. Now if I go here to debug view and I refresh so this one we don't need it anymore, and I refresh the page, see the stuff is sent, and sometimes here what I noticed that it takes much longer than in the JavaScript version. I don't know why. I don't know what to say. See, it took about 10, I don't know, 20 seconds. So when I play the video and the event is sent, let's see how much time it takes. I don't know why this is slower. Probably something with WordPress, but if this happens, do not worry, the event will be eventually sent. See, played here, it took us some time. Just wait for it. If it doesn't work, wait a few hours until all this connection between the site and the analytics happens, and then try again. Eventually it will work, as long as you have this stuff here, and be absolutely sure that you add this perfectly, so there are no empty spaces or I don't know, a missing one, because it's really difficult to understand why it's not working. For example, if I remove these two here and I refresh the page, it's still connecting, but who knows if it works or not. So if you check here, probably it will work. It's a gamble, but it's very important to have this done correctly. Otherwise it's really difficult to tell why it's not working, and it's frustrating. And see, it even worked with the missing two. So what I noticed, both for what it's important for both the WordPress version and the JavaScript version, the measurement ID must be exactly like where is it? Data streams. So just click here, and to make sure that you have it correctly, just copy. See? Okay guys, so this is how Google Analytics 4 works for Easy Video Player for now. In time I will learn more about this, and I'm sure that I will find a way to get a more detailed report, but you can get pretty much close what you need with this one. You will have a clear idea what video was played bad, most, from where, and all these other event parameters that I showed you. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.